Okay, so here's the screencast video to explain how you put the pieces of your MFA letter together. Now, part one is done as a notebook in Notability, and that's where everything's going to end up. You're going to end up putting all your other work together with your part one notebook in Notability, and then it ends up as one file exported into Schoology. So if I start by taking a look at this first document here, this is the MFA letter here. Let me just move these out of the way. This is the MFA letter handout, and you would just assume that this would be your work here. So you start here with your work. Now I happen to have this example in Google Drive, and you can see that right here, this is where I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this button here to do what I need to do to export the work. So when I do click on that, what I end up getting is a window. No, wait, that's too early. I get a window that looks like. This. Right. So I have share and export, and I'm actually going to click on send a copy. And when I click on send a copy, what ends up opening is a window that looks like this. I will then from here, I will choose, oops, wrong button. I will choose PDF and then OK. I'm going to choose PDF and OK. When I do that, what ends up happening is I get this window that looks like this. Now from here, I'm going to then send it to Notability. Okay, now here's the key step where all the magic happens. What ends up happening, sending to Notability, you've seen this before many times. Import documents, usually you're creating a new note. Here you're going to add to other note. Add to other note, this is the key step. If you add to the other note being MFA letter part 1, then what ends up happening is you get this select target note. Now I don't have a particular document called MFA letter part 1, but you would just simply add it to that document, wherever you might have it, MFA letter part 1. And when you do that, now you've taken both your bibliography and your letter and just export it as PDF, open in Notability, and add to existing note. This, I showed you Google Drive, but the same thing will work with Pages. So this is the way that you can get all your work together into one document. And please do that so that you submit only one file.